Little known fun fact for most people, high tension power lines crackle like crazy when it rains. Oh yes, the transmission. Just be quiet and take it all in. Crackle, crackle.